Greetings, dear viewers. Today we venture into the vast expanse of the cosmos to discuss the biggest star in the universe. Stars, those twinkling points of light that adorn our night sky, are colossal cosmic bodies made up of hot, glowing gas. They come in a bewildering variety of sizes, from dwarfs barely larger than our home planet to hypergiants that dwarf our own sun. To truly grasp the scale of the universe, one must understand that even our sun, which seems so large and powerful from our perspective, is but a speck of dust in the grand cosmic scheme. Now, imagine a star so large, so incredibly vast, that it makes our sun appear trivial in comparison. A star so colossal that it boggles the mind and challenges our understanding of the universe. The suspense builds, doesn't it? Hold on tight as we journey towards this colossal star named UY Scuti. Meet UY Scuti, the largest known star in our universe. Now, when we say large, we're talking about a star with a radius around 1,700 times that of our sun. Just picture that for a moment. It's like comparing a tiny speck of dust to a basketball. This celestial behemoth is a variable hypergiant, a star that not only dwarfs our sun but also has an unpredictable brightness that can change over time. UY Scuti resides in our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. But don't expect to catch a glimpse of it from your backyard telescope. This star is roughly 9,500 light-years away from Earth. That's an astronomical distance that's hard to fathom. If you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you 9,500 years to get there. And yet, in the grand scale of the universe, it's practically in our cosmic neighborhood. But size isn't everything in the universe. While UY Scuti holds the title for the largest star, it's not the most massive. That's a distinction that belongs to another star, R136A1. So despite its impressive size, UY Scuti is not the heavyweight champion of the universe. With the universe's vast expanse and countless stars, there's always more to explore and discover. Stick around as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos in the following scenes. Despite its awe-inspiring size, UY Scuti is not the heavyweight champion of the universe. While UY Scuti holds the title for the largest, the most massive star award goes to R136A1. Now, let's take a detour from size to mass. You see, when we talk about the mass of a star, we're referring to the amount of stuff, or matter, it contains. The more matter a star has, the greater its mass. That's where R136A1, the heavyweight champion of the universe, comes into the picture. R136A1 is a true behemoth, dwarfing our sun and even UY Scuti in terms of mass. This stellar titan, nestled in the R136 star cluster of the Large Magellanic Cloud, has a mass approximately 265 times that of our sun. That's like taking all the matter in our sun, duplicating it 264 times, and then cramming all of that into one star. Now that's a colossal amount of matter. But how can a star be more massive than another star, yet not be as large? Well, it all boils down to density. Think about it like this. If you have a bag of cotton candy and a bag of sand, the bag of sand is likely smaller, but weighs more. That's because sand is denser than cotton candy. Similarly, R136A1 is denser than UY Scuti. It's packed full of more star stuff in a smaller space. So while UY Scuti may be the universe's biggest star in terms of sheer physical size, R136A1 takes the cake when it comes to mass. Both of these celestial giants offer us a fascinating glimpse into the diverse and awe-inspiring world of stars. However, a word of caution is needed here. The universe is a dynamic place, and stars are no exception. They grow, they change, and they evolve. So these celestial titans are far from simple. Their sizes are not fixed and can change. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this cosmic conundrum in the next segment. Did you know that stars are not static in size? They can and do fluctuate. Now let's delve into this fascinating aspect of stellar behavior, using UY Scuti as our guiding beacon. Stars, in all their celestial glory, are not solid bodies. They don't have a defined surface like our Earth. Instead, they are vast, glowing spheres of hot gas. This inherent lack of a rigid surface makes it tricky to measure their dimensions accurately. So when we talk about the size of a star, we refer to its radius, which is the distance from its center to the outer edge of its visible layer, the photosphere. Take UY Scuti, for instance. It's classified as a variable hypergiant star. The variable part of its title refers to its fluctuating brightness, but it also reflects changes in its size. UY Scuti's radius is estimated to be around 1,700 times larger than the Sun, but this measurement isn't constant. The star's size changes over time, expanding and contracting due to internal processes, such as the fusion of elements in its core and the radiation of energy into space. This variability can influence the star's ranking in the stellar size charts. At its smallest estimated size, around 30 other stars come close to or even exceed UY Scuti's dimensions. This means that the title of the biggest star could potentially be passed to another celestial giant if UY Scuti contracts significantly at the same time another star expands. So, while UY Scuti currently holds the crown as the largest known star, it's important to remember that this title is provisional. It's subject to the whims of the stars themselves and our ability to measure them accurately. This variability means that the title of the biggest star is not set in stone. In the vast dynamic cosmos, the only certainty is change. UY Scuti's crown is not secure. There are about 30 other contenders that could potentially claim it. It's a celestial showdown, a cosmic competition of size and scale. Stars are not static beings. They're vibrant and dynamic, changing in size due to various factors. For instance, UY Scuti's size fluctuates, and this variability creates a margin of error that could allow other stars to surpass it in size. Stellar sizes are estimates due to the lack of rigid surfaces on stars, making measurements challenging. Let's consider some of the other contenders. Stars like V Canis Majoris, Betelgeuse, and NML Cygni, to name a few. These are red supergiants, some of the largest types of stars in the universe. Their radii approach or even exceed UY Scuti's smallest estimated size. Take VI Canis Majoris, for example. This red hypergiant star is located in the Canis Major constellation and is among the largest known stars by radius. Its size is comparable to UY Scuti, and due to the complexities of measuring a star's size, it could potentially outsize it. Then there's Betelgeuse, a star that's been in the news quite a bit. It's a semi-regular variable star located in the Orion constellation. It's one of the brightest and largest known stars. Recent fluctuations in its brightness had astronomers on the edge of their seats, speculating it might be on the brink of going supernova. And let's not forget NML Cygni, a red hypergiant in the Cygnus constellation. It's one of the largest stars currently known and is considered a rival to UY Scuti. These are just a few examples. There are many other stars out there that could potentially challenge UY Scuti's title, given the uncertainties in size measurements. With new discoveries and more advanced technology, we might soon find a new champion. The universe keeps us on our toes, with the title of the biggest star always up for grabs. So there you have it, a journey to the edges of the known universe. We've delved into the heart of the cosmos, unveiling the vastness of UY Scuti, a star with a radius around 1,700 times larger than our Sun. We've also introduced you to R136A1, the heavyweight champion of the universe, proving that size isn't everything when it comes to celestial bodies. We've discussed how the size of stars fluctuates, adding another layer of complexity to the task of measuring these celestial giants. And we've presented the contenders, about 30 stars that could potentially dethrone UY Scuti, reminding us that the universe is a place of constant change and discovery. It's a thrilling, mysterious journey, one that we're all a part of as we spin on our little blue dot. But there's so much more to explore, so many more stars to discover and understand. So join us as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, one star at a time. We hope you enjoyed this cosmic journey. Please subscribe for more videos to continue exploring the universe with us.